A very warm welcome on our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see dimensions of health. Let's begin with the introduction. Health is a multi-dimension process and influenced by many factors. These dimensions, or you can say components, are as follows. Total, there are 6 types of dimensions of health. First is physical dimension, second is mental dimension, third is social dimension, fourth is spiritual dimension, fifth emotional dimension, and sixth vocational or environmental dimension. These factors or dimensions are interrelated with each other and influenced health of a person. Now we will see physical dimension. Physical health means perfect functioning of the body, in which each organ is working in harmony with the maximum capacity. Physical health is achieved by the exercise, healthy diet, adequate rest and sleep, and no smoking or alcohol intake. To maintain proper physical health, there is need for making safety precautions and regular follow-up with the healthcare providers. Following are the signs of physical health. You can rectify your own self whether you are meeting all physical dimensions properly or not. You can check accomplishment of physical health by a good complexion, a clean skin, bright eyes, not too fatty skin, a sweet breath, a good appetite, sound sleep, regular activities of bowel and bladder, smooth, easy and coordinated body movements. Second is mental dimension. Mental health is a state of balance between body and mind. Earlier, the body and mind were considered two separate entities, but these are interrelated as physical illness can result mental illness and vice versa. How mental illness influenced physical health has been shown in this chart. So here you can see mental illness such as depression may lead to poor nutrition intake, poor hygiene. This too may lead in decreased immune system, prone to infection and ultimately physical illness. Now we'll see characteristic of mentally healthy person. Mentally healthy person will be capable of making personal and social adjustment. Mentally healthy person is free from internal conflicts. He faces problems and tries to solve them intelligently. He has good self-control, balance, rationally and emotionally. He or she knows him or herself. The person may have strong sense of self-esteem with a good identity. The person lives a balanced life means he or she may be able to maintain the balance between work, rest and recreation. Now third, we will talk about social dimension. An individual is socially healthy if he or she is able to maintain harmonious relationship with other members of society in which he or she lives. Social health rooted in positive material environment and positive human environment, which is concerned with the social network of the individual. The social dimension of health includes communication, intimacy, respect, equality and social functioning. Now fourth, we will talk about spiritual dimension. Spirituality means in touch with deeper self and exploration, the purpose of life, as people believe in some force that transcends physiology and psychology of human beings. It includes love, charity, purpose, principles, ethics, integrity, hope of life. Meditation, prayers or spiritual gathering are organized to maintain this type of spiritual health. The fifth one is emotional dimension. Emotional healthy is closely related to the mental health and is considered as an important element of health. Mental and emotional aspects of health are now viewed as two separate entities of human life. Emotional health includes an emotionally healthy person has a positive thinking, capable of coping and adjusting self. An emotionally healthy person participates in all activities which are related to personal growth and his self-esteem. Emotionally well people have the ability to express feelings freely and manage feelings effectively. They are also aware of the accept a wide range of feelings in themselves and others. Last one is known as a vocational dimension. Such type of environmental factors may also affect this dimension. The choice of profession, job satisfaction, and personal performance are all important components of this dimension. To be occupationally well, a person is ultimately doing exactly with what they want to do in life and are comfortable with their future plans. Vocational dimensions of health can be assessed by assessing the satisfaction level of job, facilities attached to the job, behavior of the management and administrator and of colleague at job. Some other dimensions are also affecting status of health. They are cultural dimensions, socio-economic dimension, environmental dimension, educational dimension, nutritional dimensions, and preventive dimensions. So if you want to be a healthy person, you have to maintain all these dimensions in order to achieve your status of healthy person. So in this video we have seen 6 types of dimensions which is interrelated with each other and affecting the health of an individual. So hope you have liked this video. Then please do hit the like button, subscribe button and share and comment.